A very good day, students. I hope you all are enjoying previous class. Yes. So today we are going to learn geography. Okay, geography lesson 1, Asia and Europe. In this lesson we are going to study. Okay. In Earth, how many continents having 7 continents. How many continents? 7 continents. So the first continent is North America, South America, Africa, Europe, Asia, Australia, and Antarctica. What are the continents? North America, South America, Asia, Europe, Africa, Antarctica, and Australia. Okay, so these are the 7 continents. In this 7 continent, we are going to study about Asia. Okay, about Asia. You can see Asia having many countries. What are the countries? India, Sri Lanka, China, Pakistan, Afghanistan, Iran, Iraq, Turkey, Thailand, South Korea, North Korea, Japan. Okay, so these are the countries. There are many countries, and Asian continent is the largest continent in the world. You can see this picture. Asia is a very big continent. Okay, and the Asia continent covers 30% of the land. Okay, and it's cover 60% of the world populations. Okay, it's a very high. Asia continent only having 60%. Okay, and in Asia continents, it's have many different physical and cultural features like lofty mountain, plateaus, plains, islands, and peninsulas. Okay, see these are the cultural and physical features in Asia continent. Okay, in this continent, many perennial rivers flow through the Asia. The rivers like valleys, Indus valleys, and Asian civilization like Mesopotamia and Chinese civilization. Okay, what civilization? Chinese civilizations. Okay, and the next is location. Okay, so what we learn about Asia? Asia is the largest continent in the world, and it's covered 30% of the land, and it's cover 60% of the world populations. Okay, it's a very big continent now. Okay, and it has a many features: lofty mountain, plateaus, plains, islands, and peninsulas. Okay, and it also having many flow through rivers in Asia like valleys, Indus valleys, Asian civilization like Mesopotamia, and Chinese civilizations. These are the flow from an Asia continent. Okay, to see is location and area. Okay, location and area. 10 degree 11 inches south, 81 degree 12 inches north. It's a latitude. Okay, and 26 degree 2 inches east. And next 169 degree 40 inches west. It's a longitude. Okay, student, I hope you understand location and the area. And the next is boundaries of Asia. Okay, boundaries of Asia. Okay, in Asia continent, north side having Arctic Ocean, and east side having Pacific Ocean, and the south side having Indian Ocean, and the west is Europe, Red Sea, and Mediterranean Sea. Okay, what are the boundaries? In north side having Arctic Ocean, in east side having Pacific Ocean, and south side having Indian Ocean, and west side having what? Europe, Red Sea, and Mediterranean Sea. Okay, the next is the first one is the northern lowlands. What is the northern lowlands? And the second is the central high mountain. What? The central high mountains. The third is the southern plateaus. What? The southern plateaus. And the fourth is the Great Plains. What? The Great Plains. And the fifth one is the islands group. What? The islands group. Okay. So what are the physiographic divisions? The northern lowlands, the central high mountains, the southern plateaus, the Great Plains, the islands group. Okay, these are the physiographic divisions. These divisions are contained many peoples in the Asia. Okay. Next is drainage. What? Drainage. The first one is Ob, Ensai, and Lena in North Asia. It was flow from North Asia. Okay. This river was frozen during the winter seasons. Okay. And the second is Brahmaputra, Indus, Ganga, and Irrawaddy in South Asia. It was not frozen during winter seasons. Okay, and the third one is Euphrates and Tigris in West Asia. Okay, fourth is the Amur and Huanghe in East Asia. Okay, so these are the drainages. Okay, and the next is major rivers of Asia. Okay, we are going to see major rivers of Asia. Okay, so the first one is Yangtze River. What? Yangtze River. It was origin in Tibetan Plateau and outflow from East China Sea. Okay, and the length of the river is 6,350 kilometers. Okay, student. And the second is Hung Hu. What? Hung Hu. It was origin in Tibetan Plateau and outflow from Gulf of Pohai. And the length is 5,464. Okay. And the third is Mekong River. What? Mekong River. It was origin in Tibetan Plateau and outflow from South China Sea. And the length is 4,350 kilometers. Okay, student. And the fourth one is Yangtze River. What? Yangtze River. And it was origin in Tanwell Mountain and outflow from Arctic Oceans. Okay, and the length is 4,090. And the fifth is Ob River. It was origin in Altai Mountain and outflow from Gulf of Obi. And the length is 3,650. And the sixth is Brahmaputra. What? Brahmaputra. It was origin in Himalayas and outflow from Bay of Bengal. And the length is 2,900. And the seventh one is Indus River. It was origin in Himalayas and outflow from Arabian Sea. And the length is 3,610. Okay. And the eighth is Amur River. It was origin in confluence of Shika and Argun rivers. Okay, and outflow from Tatar Strait. What? Tatar Strait. Length is 2,824. Okay, and the ninth one is Ganges River. It was origin in Himalayas and outflow from Bay of Bengal. And the length is 2,525 kilometers. Okay, and the last one is Irrawaddy River. It was origin in North Myanmar and outflow from Bay of Bengal, and the length is 2,170. Okay, what the length is 2,170. So we know what are the major rivers of Asia. Okay, so you can see the pictures of the rivers: Yangtze River, Huanghu River, Mekong River, Yangtze River, Ob River, Brahmaputra River, Indus River, Amur River, Ganges River and Irrawaddy River. Okay, I hope you understand what are the major rivers of Asia. And the next we are going to see is natural regions, flora and fauna. Okay, in this we are going to see climate, locations, flora and fauna. Flora means tree and fauna means animals. Okay, so the first climate is high temperature and high rainfall. What is high temperature and high rainfall? And the location is Indonesia, Malaysia, Singapore and Sri Lanka. Okay, student. And the flora is evergreen trees. Okay, mahogany, rubber, rosewood and sal. Okay, and the fauna is rhinoceros, tiger, babirusa, orangutan, komodo dragon. Okay, so this is the first climate and the location, flora and fauna. And the second one is summer rainfall, dry winter. What? Summer rainfall and dry winter. And the location is India, Vietnam, Cambodia, Thailand and southern China. And this location in flora is deciduous tree. What? Deciduous tree is teak, sandalwood and bamboo. And the fauna is tiger, elephant, Indian cobra and viper. Okay, student. And the third one is extreme temperatures. It was in Arabian desert, northwest India. Okay, and the flora is cactus, dates, thorny shrubs, and barbel tree. Okay, student. And the fauna is bacterian camel, the sand grouse, and desert ox. Okay. And the fourth one is dry winter, warm summer. Okay. And the location is East China, Japan, North and South Korea. Flora is cherry, apricot and plum. And the fauna is giant panda and Japanese macaque. Okay, student. And the fifth one is warm summer and winter rainfall. And location is Israel, Lebanon, Turkey, Syria. Okay. Flora is figs, olives, citrus fruits. Okay. Fauna is lions and jackrabbit. Sixth one is long and dry winter, short and cool summer. Okay. Location is Siberia, Himalayas. Flora is coniferous tree, is a pine, fir and cypress. Okay. Fauna is Siberian tiger, brown bear and wolf. Okay, student. And the last one is permanent snow cover. Location is beyond the snow line. Flora is lichen, mosses, grasses. And the fauna is polar bear, lemon, reindeer, arctic fox. Okay, what? Fauna is polar bear, lemon, reindeer, arctic fox. Okay, student. You can see this is our flora trees. Okay, mahogany, bamboo, cherry, figs, pine, moses grass. It's one of a tree. Okay, and the fauna is tiger, elephant, bacterian, giant panda, brown bear and polar bear. Okay, students. So what we learn in this class about Asia. Okay, so Asia is the largest continent in the world and it's cover 30% of the land and it's cover 60% of the populations. Okay, and what are the major rivers and climates, flora and fauna. Okay, I hope you all are enjoy. Thank you.